Welcome to day 14 of my 31-day challenge where I am trying a new product, style, or method on my sister locks. I've been growing my sister locks for almost 12 years now, but I don't do much with my locks. I usually wear them down like this and I stick to my routines. But for the month of December, I'm trying something new every single day and I'm sharing it with you. So subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to join the journey. Today, I'm going to be giving myself a DIY hot oil treatment. I love my hot oil treatments, but for the first time, I'm going to be using Jamaican black castor oil as the main oil. Now, if you've watched my channel, you know that I'm very cautious with Jamaican black castor oil because it is a very heavy oil and it is very messy, but I figure that it's perfect for exactly what I need today, which is deep moisture. I want to strengthen my locks and I really want to promote growth, which slows down in the winter, very normal, but I would love to give it a little boost. So I'm going to use this oil as the main ingredient. Ideally in the winter, I would love to give myself a hot oil treatment at least once a month, but I just never seem to be able to find the time to do that. So let's go ahead and make this treatment, and I'm going to talk about some of the ingredients I'm putting in there. The first ingredient is Jamaican black castor oil, of course. I have two here because my Tropical Isle Living, that's my favorite brand, is almost done and I couldn't get the same brand. They were sold out, so I had to get this Majestic Pure one. They are both pure Jamaican black castor oil. This oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamins and is known to promote hair growth, repair breakage, and soothe dry scalp, everything that the winter does to us. This oil has definitely worked for me in the past when I've had shedding issues, so I totally believe in its magic. I'm going to add olive oil for deep conditioning. Olive oil strengthens the hair shaft, reduces breakage, and helps with scalp health as well. And the last oil I'm going to add is coconut oil. This is one of my favorite oils. I use it at least once a week. It penetrates the hair shaft to nourish and strengthen locks. And then I'm just going to microwave this for about 20 seconds. Now it's time to apply my treatment. I don't know if you can see it. And you should have a towel that you don't mind getting messy, and a shirt that you also don't mind getting messy. That's why I'm wearing this tube top. Hopefully it will not get too messy. There isn't one way to apply this to your hair. What I usually like to do though is divide my hair into 4, just so that I can more easily distribute the oil. The last time I did this, I used this brush and it worked really well, so I'm going to use it again. A couple videos ago, I put these gold cuffs into my locks, and that's the only thing I'm wondering about right now is how those are going to hold up with the oil, but I guess we'll find out. And then I'm just going to apply the treatment from my scalp all the way down to the tip, and I'm going to start on the scalp. Okay, so I am done applying the treatment to my hair. My hair is saturated, which is perfect. And now I'm gonna put this conditioning cap on. It's supposed to be self-warming. I used it once before and it was pretty good. So I'm gonna use it again. It is extra large, so I think it will fit my hair. I don't know, it looks small. The last one was extra large and it fit, so let's see. Okay, it's not too bad. I do think the last one was better, fit better, but this is not too bad. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this on for about an hour and a half before I wash it out. Okay, so I'm out the shower. I definitely had to wash my hair really well to get all the oil out. I think I washed my hair 4 times in total just to make sure that there was no treatment left on my locks, but my hair feels incredible. So I am really happy that I chose to go with that Jamaican castor oil, and I don't feel any grease now, so it's been completely washed out. I feel like this is what I'll do. I'll use the castor oil in the winter when I really need that like deep moisture, and then go back to a lighter oil in the summer. I would love to know in the comments, what are your favorite oils or ingredients for your hair treatments that you do at home? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.